Want to show you guys something. They call it the Tiny Mighty Action Cam. Yes, that's right. It's the Insta360 Go3. There have been a number of people out there on YouTube using this camera and making some great videos with it. I love some of the videos I'm seeing with it attached to their cat or their dog and getting their point of view. So I said it's time to step up and do the right thing. So I wanted to unbox my new Insta360 Go3 for you and show you what I'm getting in the box. First and foremost, they do a really nice job of packaging and protecting the unit itself. Now, the one thing that makes this thing a great little camera is it is little. So let's take a comparison here. I'm going to pull out my pocket knife that I carry with me. To give you an idea, this camera is half the size of my pocket knife. I mean, it's small, but it's efficient. It makes some great videos from what I've seen, and it allows it to be unobtrusive when you're carrying it on your person. So really excited to see how this works out for me personally. Like I said, I've seen others with their cats and their dogs wearing these, etc. And who knows, maybe you'll see my dog Sadie out with the camera on it at some point in time in the future. But for right now, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Besides the camera itself, you're going to get the instructions, simple ID card on how to make things happen. Let's see what else is in here. So as we open it up, neatly packaged inside is the pendant. Now this is the neat part. This is actually a magnet that you wear around your neck, behind your clothing, and the camera itself attaches directly to it magnetically. So that's a great piece. Then we've got the expansion unit, which has a display on it. You basically pop the camera into here, gives you more charging time, gives you a little display on the back. I'll take the cover off later, but there's a display as well, so you're able to open this up and see exactly what you're shooting with the camera placed inside of it. So kind of a neat little unit that allows you a little bit more battery life as well. So let's see what else is in here. Mounting points. Always good to be able to mount the camera. So it gives us a little magnetic base here, as well as a unit to hold the Insta360 Go3 in its jaws. So I mean, this is where you're going to clamp it on, be able to mount it. And I think, oh yes, another unit to mount it with for mounting it on a clip on your hat. So the clip goes onto your hat, and then you can adjust the angle at which the camera is pointed. So looking forward to that feature too. Probably going to use that here upcoming in a video I've got in mind. So really neat piece of equipment that comes with the Go3. So if you look inside again, we got the mounting points and so forth. Let's put this stuff back in the box real quick so that you can see exactly what you get when you open the box. And this allows you to see all the components that are inside. That wasn't, well, they packaged it much better than I did. So you've got your mounting point and your bracket in this compartment. You've got the expansion unit. You got your magnetic piece for around your neck to hold the camera, and then they also have on the back card, or on the body of the card, you've got your bracket for your hat. So all sorts of fun stuff, and then there's what looks to be a lot of instructions. Oh no, wait a minute, almost forgot. Charging cables. Need to have those. Maybe there's some more information and literature inside, which, oh yes. All sorts of packing, more instruction guides and so forth. And Another piece for your magnet. Oh, this will actually help. This is for the magnet, but it'll help keep the angle of the magnet on your camera at a different degree, so it's not pointing straight up, but pointing more directly at your point of view. So, really excited to get started with my Insta360 Go3, but I wanted to show everybody what it looks like before it gets out of the box, because you're not going to see this. You're going to see the videos from it in the future. But stay tuned. I will do a review once I've used this for a while to let you know what I think of it, how it worked out, etc. Thanks for watching, and take care.